Hi everybody, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. My name is V. In today's video, I did an all pink eyeshadow look for Cherry Amour. Please visit her on YouTube. She does have a YouTube channel. Colors I used today was from the Juvia'S Place, the Berries by Juvia'S Place. I use this color right here. That color right here is above my crease all the way into the brow bone and underneath the lashes. Then the next palette I use is the pinks, also by Juvia'S Place. It's called the Sweet Pinks. I use this color right here. And also on the lids, I put this color right here. This and this is a matte, and this right here is a foil. So these are the three colors. This color right here is from the outer corner all the way up above my crease to the brow bone and come down. This color right here is in the crease and above it. This color right here is on the lids. So these are the three colors I used to create this pink eyeshadow look for Cherry Amour. Cherry Amour, I know you love pink. I have a pink shirt. I have pink earrings. And pink everything. This is for you. This is for you. I hope you like it. My foundation today is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte 112 Cocoa. Over that foundation, I went in with the e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD Powder. My bronzer I showed you, it's from Colored Rain. The blush is the pink blush from Juvia'S Place, which I also showed. My lipstick is by Black Radiance. I wanted to keep it all pink for Cherry Amour. Cherry Amour, this is for you. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And remember that everything is going fast. Life is passing by really, really fast. Take some time to reflect on the things that are important to you. And again, I will see you in another video. Please visit Cherry Amour on YouTube. Again, I am saying goodbye. Goodbye. Bye, bye, bye. See you soon. have a little fun, have some dance music, and have some fun. It's always good. Smile and have some fun, everyone.